Hi everyone, Ali and
Hello,
I,
good kids.
we're eating street food here in the streets of Luxor, and it's really extraordinarily delicious, and I want to show you guys what we're eating. It's all these delicious foods, and I get the experience of Ali is busy eating, but I get the experience of eating this amazing
I'm so sorry.
I get the experience of tasting all of this great food, and
I'm very busy right now. I'm so sorry.
yes, because we have much to eat. So here it is. And good night from Luxor. Good night from Luxor.
Hi.